How to disable your scene status on Zangi. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. If you want to disable your scene status on Zangi private messenger so that you don't want to let others know when you have seen their message, here's how you can easily do it. First things first, launch open the Zangi application on your smartphone or your tablet and make sure that you're logged into your account. After you're inside the main home page or the chat page of Zangi, go to the bottom right corner and tap on the gear icon. Once you're inside this settings menu, go ahead and tap on privacy from the bottom. Here on the next page under privacy, you'll see show scene status button. Go ahead and toggle off the button right next to it and turn this option off. Once you have it off, you can now get back to your home screen. Now you've successfully disabled your scene status on Zangi. You can now enjoy a little extra privacy while chatting and respond whenever you are ready. So that's how you easily turn off or disable scene status on Zangi private messenger. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.